Welcome, my name is Pedro from Over the Top Helicopters here in Queenstown. On this stunning day, me and Luke, your golf pro, are going to take you on an adventure up to Cecil Peak to possibly one of the most picturesque golf courses in the world. And me and Luke are going to just go over here, introduce you to your pilot, Louisa Patterson, not only the pilot but the CEO of Over the Top, so come with us.
Good.
Enjoy your day.
How's it going? How are you?
Very good, thanks, Luke. Welcome.
Nice to meet
We're going
you.
flying today in the Eurocopter.
Fantastic.
We call it the Beast. Beautiful aircraft with its Finistrin tail and a very spacious cabin. We've got a few things here for you to enjoy this experience. Some golf
Awesome.
balls,
Thank you.
a glove,
Thank you.
and the tee that you'll require for the over-the-top
How exciting.
golf hole in the mountains.
Beautiful.
All aboard.
Let's get to it.
Up here we're going to take you to the over-the-top golf hole. Been described as the prettiest golf hole in the world. A very prominent golf hole designer who's been up here. We built it as a replica of, there used to be calendars around in the 60s of golf holes depicted in various extreme places around the world. And so we've turned the virtual golf holes into reality. We've manufactured a green up here and four fabulous tee boxes where you can tee off and putt out. It's a par 3, and we have never had any hole-in-ones, but we have had a few birdies, which is a 1 under par, so putted out in 2. There is the green. The tee box is underneath us. One right on the nose here on this rock. And then the extreme tee right there. Welcome to the over-the-top golf.
Thank you. How amazing.
It's a cracker of a day.
Beautiful day.
Not a breath of wind. Hole-in-one day.
Very much so. Let's get it.
Walk this way. So down there you can see Queenstown nestled in the bay. And Ben Lomond, in fact, on a day like today, if you look in the distance, you can see the top of Mount Cook.
Wow.
Flat top on it. Mount Aspiring, right around over there, the west coast and Fiordland.
Wow.
And all of these high country stations. The one we're on here, Cecil Peak Station's about 35,000 acres.
Wow.
And as I mentioned on the way up, they run the merino sheep. So from here we've got the extreme tee, the men's tee, the keyhole tee, and the ladies' tee. And there you can see the green.
Beautiful. Let's
Only
go.
a couple hundred yards,
Boom.
Luke.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
How exciting.
The first tee is the extreme tee.
Wow.
And I know most of you think you're going to fall off it, but you know, how often do you fall over on a golf course?
No, it's exciting. I'll give it my best go. time for a hole in one.
So the best way up, I'll grab you a club.
So I'm here on top of the extreme tee on Over the Top Golf here on Cecil Peak, and I'm going to hit a couple of shots down to the green, which is about 200 metres, 247 to be exact, down the bottom of Cecil Peak there. In the distance, under the Remarkables, we can see Jack's Point Golf Course. To my left, I can see Calvin Heights or Queenstown Golf Club, and then in the distance, I can see the Hills, Millbrook and Arrowtown Golf Course. But I'll give it a go and I'll see how close I can get to the green. So not too bad, just left of the green. I'll take it for my first shot. I'm using a nice Exio driver, courtesy of Golf Warehouse New Zealand. That's doing the trick for me. And some nice Shrixon golf balls. That one could be in. I like that one. It's landed on, just gone over the back. But yeah, this, for the amount of world-class golf we have in Queenstown, this is by far the most remarkable and spectacular golf hole I've ever played. I've played all around the world, and I don't think you'll find anywhere else, let alone in New Zealand, a place as special as this. With the views, the lake, the mountains, the snow. It's a pretty special place to bring some friends, family, and experience it. I could stand up here all day and hit golf shots if I'm honest.
Nestled in the bay of the Frankton Arm. The lake is shaped like a lazy S or a sleeping giant. Down to the left is Kingston to the south, and then up to the nose and then round to the right towards the west coast. A very long and narrow lake. On the other side of the lake there's 5 high country stations, and 3 of them have no road access at all. Everything's done by barge and the children do school by correspondence. Typically a high country station here in the central South Island is about 35,000 acres, and they run merino sheep which they breed for their fine wool. About April we have these special pods that we put on the helicopters, and we put the sheepdogs in the pods and the shepherds in the back, and we take them up on the top of these mountains. They can muster the sheep down below the snow level, which is about 3,500 feet. We've just climbed through that at about 3,500 feet, where the snow comes down to in the winter. So they bring the sheep down below.
Welcome back. What do you think?
That was amazing. Yeah, it was a good day for it. Blue sky, bit of snow, and had a couple golf balls on top of the mountain.
Any hole in ones?
No hole in ones, but I hit the green, so I'm happy.
Yeah,
Go
cool.
home happy.
Welcome. Awesome. Well, if you find yourself back in Queenstown, just give us a call. Any friends or family?
Sure.
Yeah.
No, 100%. 100% be doing this again, so I can't wait.
Well, come back in. We're